really done, Max. I'm tired of trying to make things happen. I'm tired of pushing us into cupcake shops.
And I'm tired of you pushing us into cupcake shops, too. Shops that we couldn't afford in the first place. Oh my God, Max! Max, are you all right?
CPR, what is it? Do you pinch the nose and breathe into the mouth? Wait, I think you're supposed to pump the chest first.
Well, I'll never get through those.
Max, I'm about to put my mouth on yours, so if you're kidding, you better wake up right now. Max, please don't die. Please don't die. You're my best friend. Sit up. Are you all right?
What happened?
You grabbed that wire and I think you got a little electrocuted.
I always knew I'd be electrocuted. I just thought it'd be in the chair. God, I'm too hot. I need air.
Come here, the window. Come on. Over here. Here, kneel. Open. Oh, damn, there are shutters. Here, hold on to the wall while I get this. Are you okay? Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Max, that was so scary. For a second, I thought you died.
Maybe I did because I kind of remember a place with flames. And you were making out with me.